The students were getting their test results back, but instead of just handing them out, the teacher had a twist. As each student left the room, he played a song. If it was a happy song, it meant they passed. If it was a sad one, they failed. But what he did for the last student, you won't believe it.
So the first person is Messica Schmidt. Are you here? Yeah. Okay, up next, Schmage Flones. Okay, next one, Chad Farthouse. I'm sorry, Shad Sharthouse. Okay. Sorry, I thought it was clear. This is a song about a man who ruined a perfectly good relationship because of his jealousy.